Hi everyone. Today we're going to walk you through the comparison of AWeber versus Sistema.io. If you're new to AWeber, check the description for a link to a free trial. For existing users, just log in and follow the steps with us. AWeber offers advanced automation capabilities that allow users to create personalized email sequences based on subscriber actions and behaviors. The platform features a wide variety of customizable, mobile responsive email templates to help users easily create visually appealing campaigns. Users can segment their audience based on various criteria, allowing for targeted messaging and better engagement. AWeber includes comprehensive analytics to track key metrics such as open rates, click rates, and conversions, helping users refine their strategies. AWeber integrates with various platforms, including WordPress, Shopify, and social media tools, enhancing its usability. AWeber offers email and chat support, along with extensive online resources and tutorials. Like AWeber, Sistema.io provides email automation and marketing tools, allowing users to create targeted campaigns. Sistema.io enables users to build complete sales funnels from landing pages to checkout pages, all within the platform. Users can create and manage membership sites to deliver content or courses to their audience. System.io offers features for creating and selling online courses, making it a great option for educators and content creators. The platform includes tools for managing affiliate programs, allowing users to incentivize others to promote their products. Systema.io also integrates with various third-party services, though its options may be more limited compared to AWeber. I hope you found this helpful. Before we finish up, I want to invite you to a free training webinar where you can learn how to earn high-ticket commissions while growing your email list at the same time. It's completely free, so be sure to grab your spot by clicking the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.